Hello my friends, welcome to my channel where I make Affinity fun and easy to learn. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create this spot poster inside of Affinity Studio. If you've not gotten your CorelDraw templates and your PSD templates, these are templates to make you work smart. And of course the premium Smart Designer assets is still very much available. You can get it using the description in the video. Right, check this from this video, and if you're not subscribed to this channel, now is the best time to hit the subscribe button so that I don't miss any videos I'll be posting anytime from now. Without having to say much, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is click on file and click on new like this, and I'm going to be using a 4x5 inches social media flyer or poster, or you can just say spot poster, right? 4x5 resolution 300 inches, and click create document like this. So the first thing I like to do here is I'm going to go over to my ellipse tool. Select my ellipse tool like this, draw an ellipse here. And I'm going to rotate this, take this up like this and rotate it well. Duplicate this, Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, bring this here. And I'm going to position this here too. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select my rectangle tool again, select the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle tool over here like this, and I'm going to drag it below. So it's going to be the first layer like this. I'm going to come here and change the color. I'm going to use something greenish, but it's going to be a dark green. So I'm going to drag this inside to create a dark green like this, and I'm good to go. I'm going to select this ellipse and I'm going to add noise to each of them. Right, so you can select the two of them and add noise at the same time, which I just did now. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in this image. Now these images are in the description of this video also, so check the description of this video to get all these resource files to use and practice along with me. So I'm going to rotate this like this, and I'm going to click out when I'm done. I'm going to click on this image and I'm going to change the blend mode to make it blend well, because I'm not going to use this yellowish color. So change the blend mode to multiply. So this is what I'm going to use here. It's a darker shade. I don't want the attention to be on the background, but on what I'm doing. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in this image here like this. And I'm going to make a few adjustments to it, like reducing it like this. That's the first thing. And I'm also going to position this well. Let me rotate this. Rotate this. Move this upward a bit. Click on the mask and switch to Pixel Studio like this for us to get full functionalities of the pixels. So select the brush and make sure your foreground color is set to black like I have here. Mine is set to black. I'm going to increase the size of my brush just a little bit, and I'm going to paint in on these regions here like this. But as you can see, it's not that efficient, so I'm just going to increase the size or the texture or the flow of my brush. I'm going to increase the opacity of my brush, so you can see as I'm doing it now, it's actually working fine. Okay. So now that this is done, we have the image, and let's go make some corrections. The image, so make sure you're selecting the image and not the layer. Select the image and go over to where you have developed like this. And a couple of things you want to do here. Follow my settings or copy my settings. I'm going to refine the detail. And the shadows and highlights also, I'm going to refine them. Then of course I'm going to add some clarity to this. Then also I'm going to, under basic, I'm going to increase the vibrance like this. And when I'm done, I'm just going to click what? Develop. Yes, you got that right. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in the next image, which is this image here. And I'm just going to make it smaller, just to where I want it. And I think somewhere here is good. And the next thing we're going to do is make it pop. So let's go over to develop. This is like the camera raw of Affinity Studio. So a couple of things I'm going to do here under refinement. First, that's where we're starting things off from. Increase the radius, basics, clarity like this. And under shadows and highlights, reduce the shadows and increase the highlights like this. And also the vibrance, then also the contrast. Maybe not do too much with it. And when you're done, click develop like this. And select the two of them, hold down Shift, Ctrl G to group them. As you can see. So I'm just going to create an adjustment, right, to balance both of them up. So click on adjustment layer. And so the bottom line, the reason why we're doing this is to make sure we have a balanced image. So to do this, I'm going to, inside of adjustment here, I'm going to select color balance, and I'm just going to increase and decrease a few things. Like this is the midtones, so I'm going to tilt towards the reds and the greens here. For this also, I'm tilting towards the reds. And for the shadows, I'm not going to be touching anything. So you can see. So I'm going to move this to the right, the left hand side. And the next thing I'm going to do is, you can see I'm going to move below this, and I'm going to select my brush, and I'm going to make it smaller while I create a realistic shadow here. So click like this, and hold down Shift to bring this down here like this, and move it closer to have a shadow. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and to make a duplicate copy of the layer, and you want to reduce this way. Okay. So I'm gonna make this white, and this is what I have here. So I'm going to finish this off by bringing in some other details. I'd already taken time out to arrange them, so I'm just going to drag the number 4 here, and I'm going to position this well. So this is CR7, Cristiano Ronaldo, and every other thing. And yeah, so if you've gotten to this point, congratulations to you. You are on your pathway to becoming a professional. If this video has been valuable to you, make sure you give me a thumbs up, make sure you like, make sure you support, make sure you also repost my videos, right? I'll see you in the next video just up above. Remember, subscribe.